Hi everyone, I am Manil Kumar, motivation speaker. Today I would like to clarify some of the few doubts which you have regarding examinations of 3-year LLB and 5-year LLB uh, from KSLU, Karnataka State Law University, Hubli. Recently, they have notified regarding to conduct the examinations of 3-year LLB and 5-year LLB. Many students have confused about this notification. Today, I would like to clarify all your doubts. If you have doubts still, you can comment in my channel so that I can reply with that questions with answers. So we'll come to the point. You can able to see this circular. KSLU released this circular. In this circular, many of the students have doubt, including myself has got earlier, but now I have clarified and the same knowledge I am going to share today for you all to clear your doubts. KSLU will be going to conduct odd semester examinations. Means odd semester means like first semester, third semester, fifth semester, like that. They plan to conduct examination for freshers especially. And apart from this, they will be going to conduct even even semesters who have been failed earlier. That too, please remember who have been paid for the examinations to write. Those who have failed in the earlier semesters, like first semester, maybe second semester, third semester, fourth semester, whichever they have failed, that students arrears papers to be right. That too, who have been paid examination fees, they are eligible for to write the examinations. Many of the students, they are thinking that I have been paid for second semester, so that will be covered as an arrear papers. So please, I will clear your doubts today. Who have been paid arrears papers particular examination fees, they are eligible for to write even odd semesters and even semesters. So this one, I think, I hope one point you have been clarified. And one more doubt which is have is examination question paper pattern have been changed. So many of the students have been confused that all question papers pattern have been changed, but for whom it has been changed, I am going to explain. And along with this, I will show the model question paper, how it is, how it to be appeared. That notification also with me. That also show. Coming to the point, 2018 and 19, they have changed the pattern of question paper. Like earlier, it was 100 marks questions, but they have made it in the 2018 and 19 batch 80 into 20 80 by 20 means 80 will be the theory paper and 20 marks will be the internal viva assessments internal test which includes 20 marks and theory paper is 80 marks. Now also for 2018 and 19 who have been joined for first year, now they are in I think fifth semester. For them it is applicable 80 by 20. But before that, like 2017 and 18 batch they have joined, 2016 and 17 batches they have joined. Like earlier batches, for them slightly have been changed the question paper pattern. Earlier it was different, but now it is different. Now they have added two more questions, which will be the choice for, you can choose one question, that 20 marks question, remaining will be 16 marks question. Like I would like to say, for freshers 80 will be the theory paper. How it is I will show. You can able to see here now. There will be here, answer any 5 questions from group. Each question carries 10 marks. Answer any 5 questions from group B. Each question carries 6 marks. Either can be able to write in English or Kannada. That is up to you all students. Here you can able to see there will be a 10 marks questions of 10, and there will be a 6 marks questions of 10. Among 20 questions you have to choose 10 questions, like 5 questions from the 10 marks and 5 questions from the 6 marks, whichever it earlier was also like that only. But only thing is that unit wise they used to given earlier question paper pattern, like unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4, unit 5, like that it was there. But now unit 1, unit 2, nothing will be there. This is the pattern: 10 marks questions and 6 marks question pattern. This is how it is, you can able to see now. Please don't make any confusions, my dear friends. This is the pattern which is approved by KSLU. Question number 1, A. Question number B. Question number 1 will be 10 marks question. Question number B will be 6 marks question. Like that it will be there. 10 marks question 5 and 6 marks question 5. For other students and repeaters also it will be applicable. Now I am showing here, you can able to see now here. Here what they have mentioned: 7th, 9th semester of 5-year BA, LLB, BBA, LLB, BCom, LLB examination March, April 2020. For them it is 11. There will be a 16 marks questions. 5, 16 marks question, and 1 will be the 20 marks question. I hope these 3 points have been cleared. One is KSLU will be going to conduct art semester examinations now for especially freshers. For freshers is not eligible to write second sem as per the High Court notification. High Court notification what is saying is first semester of 50% of first semester marks and 50% of internal assessment marks, which will be clubbed and promoted to the third semester or fifth semester. So this will be the funda which have made it, but so far KSLU not been taken any steps on this. Still is meetings and negotiations are going on. Still not yet finalized about the results and about the whether to be conducted or not conducted. They have not cleared out so far. They will be cleared very soon. Like I hope this month end they will be clear with the So finally, I have one point I have been clarified, and second point is for question paper pattern. For 2018 and 19 batches remain same as of now so far. Earlier batches and as well as like those who have joined in before 1819 batch, for them it is applicable 100 marks question. In that 100 mark question, 16 marks will be 5 questions and 20 marks will be one question. Total overall 100 to be right. I hope this notification have been clarified with by me. If you have any clarification, you can comment on below my channel so that I can able to reply for your answers. Uh, Due to some time constraint, I cannot able to do in Kannada. Please oblige. If you have any doubts, you can contact me. Any of my mobile number it is with in comment box. Please you can contact if you have any doubts in Kannada. I can able to explain. Due to time constraint, I couldn't able to do in Kannada. I hope this video will be going to get a benefit. Like your doubts have been clarified with these notifications. Do well, all the very best for your exams, my dear friends. Please follow, please do subscribe my channel Anil Kumar KT. I would like to thank who have been subscribed. I've, I have started my videos uploading before 1.5 month back, but now I have more than 400 subscribers have been subscribed to my channel. It is my pleasure to share this happy moment with you all. Thank you very much. Please support me in this matter so that I can give best of best videos in future also. I will not stop at all till my breath. I can give best of best videos like LLB, motivation, human resource management, etc. I'm going to give very good videos. Please do subscribe my channel. Uh, do all the very best for your exams. Thank you.